Hello and welcome to Car Fix Automotive. Today's video we are going to about 9 factors for high fuel consumption. If you are running on a tight budget, fuel consumption must have been a concern for you. If you are not careful, poor fuel consumption can cost you a lot of money. Keeping a check of some key aspects can help you in drastically improving the fuel consumption of your car. Cars can return different fuel consumption figures based on many aspects that we are going to discuss in this article. If your car is not returning the expected fuel consumption, do check the following points to figure out what can be a possible problem. Number 1. Poor quality engine oil. Viscosity grade of engine oil is something that you have to keep in mind before buying engine oil for your car. Using the wrong motor oil for your car can lead to greater fuel consumption. This is due to the fact that the pistons and other movable parts of your engine move less freely. This puts undue stress and pressure on the engine, which results in the engine consuming more fuel than necessary. Consult your car's owner's manual or visit the nearest dealership to get information on the right quality of engine oil. Moreover, after the recommended mileage, do change your car's engine oil as it can make a significant difference in fuel consumption as well. Number 2. Bad condition of tires. Old tires lose their traction on the road, and they have to spin more to maintain a certain speed. This consumes more fuel than necessary. Low tire pressure can also lead to more fuel consumption. Keep your tires at an optimal pressure as recommended by the manufacturer. Wheel alignment must also be right to get the best fuel economy for your car. Tires in good condition also improve the handling of your car. Number 3. Poor maintenance. Delayed and poor servicing of your car can lead to higher fuel consumption. Make sure your mechanic is skilled or take your car to a dealership certified by your car's manufacturer. Company dealerships usually have the right tools and machinery to take good care of your car. However, they charge more than local vendors. Keep a schedule chart in your car's dashboard to note down servicing dates. This will help you get your car's servicing done on time. Number 4. Short distances. Cars consume most fuel at the start of the journey when it is not warmed up and on short trips. Make sure when you are going out, you get done with the maximum amount of your chores. Trips shorter than 5 kilometers are usually less fuel efficient. By combining several small trips into one large one can improve your car's fuel economy and will also save you a lot of time. Number 5. Faulty engine. If your car's engine is not tuned properly and has not been serviced on time, this will ultimately make it use more fuel than required. A faulty engine can result from failure to replace spark plugs, fuel filters, air filters, oxygen sensors, or engine valves. Worn out and dirty fuel injectors can lead to quick burning of fuel, therefore, high fuel consumption. Replace faulty parts of your engine as soon as possible to avoid bigger damages as well. Number 6. Poor quality fuel. Always try to get fuel for your car from a renowned fuel station. For your daily fueling, single out those fuel stations that are known for selling good quality fuel. Bad quality fuel will take longer and will require larger quantities to power the engine. This will also increase the accumulation of waste after the burning of the fuel in the intake valves and injector nozzles. Good fuel stations also have chemical additives that clean the engine compartments like intake valves, injector nozzles and inner/hidden parts of the engine. Good quality is always good for the longevity of your car's engine. Number 7. Driving in wrong gear. Every gear has a speed limit, and this must be observed cautiously. If you are driving at higher speeds in lower gears, the RPM will be higher, and the engine will consume more fuel. Also, do not accelerate your car harder than it is necessary to change gears or to propel it from a standstill. Moreover, letting your car struggle in a higher gear in corners or in the hilly areas is also wasteful on the fuel. Number 8. Poor clutch condition. When your car's clutch is in poor conditions, slippage occurs, which is the reduced contact between the pressure plate and the clutch. This results in a portion of the power generated by the engine to be wasted and not delivered to the wheels. This results in a bigger quantity of fuel being used. Get your clutch fixed as soon as possible if you experience this situation. Number 9. Not warming up vehicle. This holds true especially in winters and colder climates. Whenever you start your car in the morning, let it stand idle for a while before driving it. Once you are on the road and need to stop for an extended period of time, turn off the engine as it saves a significant amount of fuel. If you are stopping for a short while, keep the engine running as starting the engine again will consume a lot of fuel. Thanks for watching my video.